So the question is, now the 22,500 is not supported. So will Nifty reach 21,500? Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 1st March, Nifty ends this week at 22,124 and Bank Nifty at 48,344. See, in our previous analysis, we expected 22,500 as the important zone, but the market does not get support around 22,500 and decline to 2200. In our long-term Nifty analysis, we analyze two important levels. One is 22,500, okay, and if the level 22,500 does not support the market, then there is a higher chance of Nifty to reach 21,500. We explained with wave principles and fib levels. We explained in a very detailed way a week before, and if you not yet watched that video, just check the long-term analysis for Nifty. So the question is, now the 22,500 is not supported. So will Nifty reach 21,500? So this is the approach we are taking now, whether Nifty will reach 21,500. One thing. And I wish to say one important thing, that in my videos, don't expect only the levels or any tips or recommendations, because I try to give clues for the future price actions. If you remember, in our previous video also, I said that more than the levels, the ending diagonal is very important to get the confirmation, right? See, this is what we expected. Okay. This is what the expected pattern, and I said in my previous video also, this ending diagonal is more important now. And also I referred, if the price goes below this channel, this trend line, then there is a possibility of 22,350. Okay, I said in my previous midweek market update also. And I added one more thing. Why I am saying two things, because we expected 22,500, but why I am saying 22,350. The reason I said was, the last leg of the correction may take ending diagonal or an impulse down, right? I said these two close in our previous midweek market update, but yes, I expected primarily the price to take support, but the opening itself, the price came below this trend line. That gives the information that this is not an ending diagonal and it is becoming an impulse down. So the request is, don't only check for the levels. I try to give more clues how to understand the market. Okay, now coming to the today's analysis, the question is, are we going to 21,500 or not? But if you check the Bank Nifty, see, the Bank Nifty not give up the important level which we are expecting. Even now, the price taking support in our expected zone of 4,800. Okay, this is the level we are expecting in the almost a couple of weeks, and even in our previous video, we expected this zone as the important support. So we explained why this previous low for the Bank Nifty is very important, and as of now, the Bank Nifty is respecting our levels. And I could see that this is not impulse down as of now. See, the impulse not only goes upside, the impulse move comes in downtrend also. But looking at this pattern, this is not a impulse decline as of now. Please understand, as of now, this is not a impulse decline. Since the price taking support, I am assuming that this is very good important support for Bank Nifty, because of that 100-200 points declining below our expected level. I am not going to change my view. So my primary view is, this is the very important support for Bank Nifty, and for that I am counting like this. This is W, X and Y, and since this Y is not impulsive, I taking it as an ending diagonal here. Okay. See, that's why I said as of now it is not impulsive. So this is what we expected in Nifty, but the next day it gapped down. The same lesson here, the Bank Nifty should protect this trend line. Okay, it can be A, B, C, D, E, or even some due to some internal counts, it may come one more low also, but this trend line is important, and the previous low is very important. The price should take support here itself for all this bullish view of around 47,850. Maybe you can check in your chart that previous low. So the idea here is Bank Nifty at important support. Since as per Dow theory, both Nifty and Bank Nifty should move in a similar way. Since Bank Nifty at very important support, we need to identify support for Nifty. But seeing this current fall, there is a higher chance of still some more correction left in Nifty. But how to identify the support now? See, this is separate wave and this is separate wave. I am in the process of identifying the support here. So I am just checking the channel. Okay. So in this way, the price is very close to the bottom channel of this particular leg, and it can be an important support since Bank Nifty had very important support. So the immediate support, the first support or immediate support for Nifty is around 21,975. Okay, this 21,975, but I will check how the price needs to come here. The price needs to bounce on Monday and it needs to come back one more lower to 21,975 for valid support, and the price needs to move higher. See, all these assumptions are based on Bank Nifty at important support. Please understand. Okay, this is the expectation, and so we need a support and bounce on Monday. But suppose the price directly without any bounce comes to 21,975 for support or even goes lower, the next important support range 21,850 to 21,730. Okay, 21,850 to 21,730 is the important support range. So this is the primary expectation now. If these levels not support and Bank Nifty comes below this previous low, and then only we can expect 21,500 levels, but let us see. And there is a silver lining to the 21,800 levels. Okay, if the price comes to this zone, okay, not taking support at 22,500 but comes to around 22,000 or 21,800, the silver lining is the probability of going one more high is much bigger than the significant bounce. If you remember, we have analyzed two things, right? There is a chance of one more high or a significant bounce and come one more low. But if the price comes to around 22,000 or 21,800 now itself, there is a higher chance of going one more new high, that is around 28,000, 27,000 to 28,000 we discussed a couple of weeks back. That will become a higher probability than the significant bounce. Okay, so that is a silver lining to this little extra correction. So this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and if you watch the small cap, see this is very important support zone. Okay, possibly the price takes support in this zone itself, and the price is moving and coming lower, but trading around the same zone. This is what I expected. Not much difference happen as per our previous analysis. So this area should give a support and the price to move higher. Okay, so broader markets also at important support only. So no view changed because of this Friday sell-off. Okay, maybe a small low may come, yes, but this is important zone. Okay, until this 14,400 to 1400 is the important zone, and the price should turn because we are expecting turn in Nifty. So the commodity markets, see, commodity markets worked very well for the last week, and we expect a resistance for crude oil, natural gas, gold and silver. And if you watched, everything came lower in the last week. So commodity markets worked well, and see, the expected levels has been reached in the crude oil. So the same analysis, the support can be between 69 to $68. Okay, and there can be a bounce. So the bounce we need to check around 73 because it can be wave B. If it is wave B, okay, the price can eventually come lower right from here itself. Okay, but it is very small, so I think there is a chance of a B bounce and C lower. So probably the corrections may continue even after a bounce. That is what the analysis in crude oil, either B here or one more B here, but there is a higher chance of the price to reach $63. Okay, let us see how the price behaves here and then we may decide, but this is the same view as per our previous week analysis. And natural gas, see, in our last week analysis the price was trading here and I said the price should come lower and move higher, and the price has came lower, and the important supports can be 3.76, okay, 3.76 to 3.78, approximately in this zone. If the price takes support in this zone, this can be a one more high, the same view as per our previous week, and the price can reach 4.44 and the counts can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for this the price needs to take support here 3.76, but coming below this 3.55, then this is not valid. Okay, and coming to the silver, the price not crossed our resistance. See, there is no even price reaction points. There is no previous price action also. This is completely based on Fibs. When you combine with wave patterns, Fibs will work in magical way. See, that's why, because someone asked this doubt, how do you mark this two lines? This is entirely based on Fib numbers. Okay, so again silver needs to be analyzed with the gold, and if you check the gold, see exactly from our level the price started to decline. The thing we need to see here is how the price is consolidating here, the same method. So if it is 4, the price possibly will take support around 2815 to what is this high 2800, okay, 2790, 2815 to 2790 can be the important support if it is wave 4. Okay, and if it is even wave 4, I think the price may still consolidate. Okay, there is a chance of ABC here. Okay, let me remove this. So ABC, and the price may move one more higher to 3000, and the price can come lower to 2500, 2400 to 500. This is the same analysis. And even in silver, see, these are the two levels we are expecting right from here. If you remember, in October, November, we expected silver to go sideways or to correction. Okay, this is what we expected, and if you watch, these are the expected levels between 27 to 28, and still there is a possibility, and the silver may come to 27, 28, $27. So either a one more high or directly coming lower. This is what we need to see as like gold. So now for the next week we can expect a bounce. Okay, both silver and gold. Okay, from 2815 there is a chance of a bounce, and based on the bounce we may calculate for next week. So based on the bounce we may decide, are we coming directly here or after going higher and coming lower. So the thing is silver, gold, there is a higher chance of decline to start in coming months, and silver can reach 27 to $28 and gold can reach 2400 to $2500. Okay, and based on this internal wave pattern we can decide whether it is a wave 5 or directly coming lower. All these levels we are discussing for multiple videos in previous months, so I don't want to explain it again. So the same analysis and same levels, nothing changed in gold and silver. So this is the weekend analysis for Nifty, Bank Nifty and commodities and even broader market small cap. Same approach, levels may 100, 200 points may different, but the key important thing is we are very close to the end of correction. So after this correction ends, we give importance to the new highs more than the bounce and come lower. Okay, as I said in this video. So higher probability for new highs, and the levels also we discussed 26,750 to 28,000. So the same level we are expecting in coming months. So this is the update for this weekend, and if you wish to learn this advanced Elliottwave course with 400 plus charts as examples and new video every month for learning purpose, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. If you wish to get the market updates twice a week, you can subscribe my channel and share it with your fellow traders and friends. And maybe after April or May, I will post more videos per week. Even I am trying to post videos daily, maybe after April, May. Let me try for that option. And the most important thing is the levels and opinions shared in this video are only for learning purpose to show how Elliottwave works in the stock market. So don't take it as any sort of buy or sell recommendations. So trade safe, capital protection is important. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Have a great weekend. Thank you.